Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So, I'm on a bit of a catch-up again, just for a change. Yeah, we've had a bit of fun with Hubby. He's back in hospital again. So apologies if my voice starts to go, because I told so many different doctors exactly the same thing so many different times yesterday that, yeah, I'm losing my voice now. I was literally at the hospital with him from, oh my goodness, I think we got there about 10 o'clock and I finally left accident and emergency at 10 o'clock last night because they were moving him to the acute medical unit, and he's still there this morning. He is okay. We've just had a bit of a do, so I'll maybe tell you about that in another video. Thank you for all the messages on Facebook. I know I did post on Facebook where I was, just to let everybody know, because my phone was running out of battery as well. Silly me. Note to Liz, remember to keep your phone charged at all times. Anyway, so where were we up to on this Halloween countdown calendar? I think were we up to number 7, and today's the 15th, so we've got quite a few to open, so I hope you can stand this excitement. Oh dear, I hope it's something good, because I could do with something to make me smile a bit more today. So I'm going to take out 1 and the 2, the ones that we've done so far, so we can compare. 3 is the big gonk, da da da, and 4 is their little tiny skeleton, which is really, really funny, and 5. So I hope everybody's doing okay anyway. I did like that one, yeah, I'd forgotten about that one. 6, and that life is treating you as kindly as possible. And then number 7, which was the big spider, if I remember. Yeah, I remember the spider being the last one. Right, so we're going to go to number 8. Yeah, so Hubby's at his second home at the moment, but never mind. I've got Millie on my feet. After being away 12 hours, she was with our lovely friend and neighbour who looked after her. And thoroughly spoilt her, from what I understand. But yeah, she was very, very clingy last night, because of course I came home without Hubby. So yeah, not good. Okay, oh well, we're back to the, oh my goodness, we've got an eyeball. You are being stared at. Ooh, you really need 2, don't you, a pair of eyeballs. But look at all the bloodshot veins in that one. Yeah, I saw a few of those yesterday at the hospital. Oh dear me, you've got to laugh, you've got to laugh. I could just probably go to sleep as well. I cannot recommend hospital chairs. Those hard plastic chairs to be sat on for 12 hours are not good. Nowhere near. So to say I have a numb BTM this morning is an understatement. Yeah, it's just so nice to be sat on a cushion. He is still very, very sleepy, and the medication is on, and he is due his dialysis because he missed it yesterday. So I may go to the hospital tonight, but I'm not going this morning or this afternoon. I am just waiting to get through to them. Oh, I like that one. Oh, look at that. That one's made me smile. That's good. So number 9 is this is it Sanrio? It's one of the little characters, isn't it? Like, is it Pompurin or something like that, and the little cat one and everything. So that's one of those. So yeah, I like that one, although it does look as though it's got a bit of a cross expression. The pumpkin's nice and happy, but the little, I think it's a cat, sat inside. It's obviously trying to be a bit wah wah wah, because it's Halloween. So yeah, that's pretty good. Like that one, pumpkin. So yeah, I'm liking these. I wish it was all these, and I do think for the money I paid it should really be all these, but I suppose maybe we have to have the small ones to make up for the gonks that they're putting in. So that one was number 9, so now we want number 10. Right, so let's have a look at number 10. And oh, just cut this open. Yeah, saw lots of people yesterday. The lady I've spoken to in the hospital this morning, she says, oh yes, I remember Paul, I remember your Hubby. So he's in good hands. Oh, we've got another big one. Oh, now is she from Nightmare Before Christmas? Not quite sure. Somebody will probably let me know in the comments. But yeah, oh, look at her lipstick, and I love her eyelashes. Wow, and red hair. Yeah, look at that. I like the red hair. And she's got a very sort of retro Mary Quant style dress on, look, in the yellow green. And it might be brown, or that just might be what she's holding. But yeah, very Mary Quant with little boots on as well. So very nice. Yeah, I dyed my hair once. Well, I had it done by our friend, Lottie Lou's mum, who's our hairdresser friend. And yeah, I had it done just before hubby went into hospital for the first time 5 years ago. And the lights in the hospitals, because people get up to naughty things in hospital, bathrooms, toilets, the lights are like those blue lights. And yeah, having bright red hair, a very pale, tired face looking at you in the hospital mirrors wasn't a good look, and it put me off for life. So I've never gone back to being a redhead again. Yeah, it put me off. I am very pale anyway, and I thought having red hair would suit me. But no, under those lights, it was terrible. It's like when you used to go to the nightclubs way back when, and going to the toilets there, they had those blue lights, and you just never looked good under those lights. Oh, well, maybe just me then. Right, oh, look, I'm making a real mess of this. I'm tearing it well, I don't know why I wanted to keep it, but anyway, I usually do. Oh, and we've got another big one as well. Oh, look at that one. Oh, and that one says Happy Halloween. So we've got sort of the Grim Reaper, but he's got a staff, hasn't he? He hasn't got a scythe, he's got a staff. So he's a happy sort of skeleton dressed up as, well, possibly the Grim Reaper, but the writing on it's excellent, and the painting on this is excellent as well. They've really covered this exceptionally well. I'm presuming it's painted on. So yeah, okay. So maybe I am getting some better ones today, although we did start off with an eyeball staring at me, so that was a bit spooky. So, okay, so we're on to number 12 now. Goodness me. To be fair, the days do feel like they're racing through this fast as well. I do feel like it's only 5 minutes ago since it was the 1st of October. Oh dear, right. Oops. Right, okay, let's get into this. Oh, and another big one. Oh, wow. Oh, I like that one. Now, is that Jack Skellington? Looks like he's dressed up as Dracula because he's got like a Dracula cape on. So yeah, are they from the same one? I'm sure a lot of people will know these. I ought to know them, but yeah, the grandkids don't tend to watch the TV much these days. So, well, not when they're here anyway. So I don't know what all the characters are. Keep them in the right places, Liz, so that we know where they belong. So we'll put them away. Oh, and we're on to number 13 now, which I suspect is going to be another big gonk. Ooh. So let's get this one open. I'm giving it a helping hand with my little opening knife because they are quite stiff, and as I say, I did really want to keep them, but I have made a bit of a mess of it today. And so much for going to open one every day, and then sort of like starting on a couple of days at a time, and then just literally well, this is a huge amount of days to open all at once. Oh yes, it is another gonk. Oh, here's a different one. Okay. Ooh, so he's got a grey beard. Okay. And we've got his sewn very, very differently. Oh, and his hat's actually stuck on his nose. That's been stuck down. So whereas this is like a witch's hat, as I say, I think I'm going to stick it like that so that it's up a little bit so you can still see his nose. And this one, the pumpkins look a little bit scarier because they're a darker colour. Well, the pumpkin faces, shall we say. But I do like his grey beard. And he's got a lot bigger hat. Look at that. He's a lot thinner, this one, look. This one's dieted to get in the box. This one's a little bit tubbier, shall we say. A little bit rounder. And his hat's a little bit rounder. So, yeah, liking those. Okay. And then 14, is it the 15th today? I think it is the 15th today. So let's have a look at number 14. Okay. And see what's in that one. So do we think now this is going to be another one of the sort of button style ones, the smaller ones? Oops, 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 oops. Yes, it is. And oh, we've got another pumpkin. So, oh my goodness. Oh, so we've got a little black dot there. This one isn't this one isn't very well painted, I have to say. We're a little bit splashy with the mouth there, but other than that, that's pretty good. Say make them into cover minders. They are just a flat back sort of cabochon style gem, just a little decoration. Oh, it hasn't even got the brown look going round on the stalk on the side, so you know, compared to some of the others, that one's not very well painted. But I suppose, oh look, the gonks decided to take a trip. Stay there. Stay. What was it that jumped out last time? I think it was one of the skeletons that decided to have a move around last time. So right, we just want number 15 now, and then we are done again for today. So yeah, and then we're caught up. And then it is my wedding anniversary, so it's fun that hubby will be in hospital on my wedding anniversary again. Well, I presume he'll still be there on our wedding anniversary. It's usually birthdays and Christmas that he goes in, but it was in hospital for one of our anniversaries 5 years ago, so yeah, he's in there again for this one. Oh, I like that one. Ooh, and we're back to the big ones again. These are really good. I'm quite impressed with these. We've got a little bit of extra rubber there that just needs clipping off, but yeah, look at that. So that's like a scarecrow pumpkin. Oh gosh, if you bumped into one of those on a dark night, not this size, if you saw one that size, well, I don't know what you do, probably stand on it. But yeah, if you saw one full size, that's pretty scary to come looking at you. So he goes there. Okay, I like his, it looks like, actually it looks like he's got cricket knee protectors, shin protectors on. Is it just me? They don't look like trousers, do they? They look like cricket shin protectors. Maybe he thinks he's going to get kicked by the little kids when he jumps out and goes boo. So he's put some shin protectors on just in case. Okay, so where are we now? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just over half of the items are the bigger, like rubbery feel decorations that you can put chains on or whatever and turn into key rings. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the sort of smaller ones. I mean, when you look at like these, although that one I say isn't very well painted, like that one, these skeletons do look very small and like a bit dropped off, as the saying goes. And I do like the gonks as well. You can get a calendar that's supposed to be all gonks, and it is actually in this box. So whoever's done this one has just reused this box, because if you look, oh, that is that one there, look. He's just in the background there. Have we got this one somewhere? No, that's a different one. There is another one somewhere. I know there's that one there. That's an orangey one as well. So how you would actually get, and I think it's only 24. Albeit if it's the same box, it would be the 31, wouldn't it? Okay. Let me know if you've got one of the gonk ones. I know they are still being advertised, albeit we are rapidly approaching Halloween now. Hull Fair has just finished, so that was always the big thing in our house, that we went to Hull Fair, and then we started thinking about, well, bonfire night, and we used to go out pennying for the guy. We used to dress somebody up or have something, old clothes and things stuffed with newspaper mainly, and putting clothes on them, and then just having a mask for a face. So yeah, we used to do that and go out penny for the guy, and that was always to buy money for fireworks, because we always had fireworks on November the 5th. So, and then trick-or-treats started, so we now have all these things as well. And I do like putting up my Halloween decorations, which I am in the process of doing very slowly. So yeah, you will eventually get to see my Halloween display for this year. So it will be slightly different with hubby sleeping downstairs now. I can't put anything too scary near where he is. He has enough strange dreams as it is without me scaring him as well. So the next time I see you will be on number 16. So it will be interesting to see what that one is. And it'll be interesting to see what the actual ratio of the good sort of decorations is to the sort of meh decorations. Okay, so if you've enjoyed looking at these with me, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Just keeps the channel going, keeps the algorithms from YouTube watching and seeing me. Hello. If you've got any comments or questions, in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Yeah, we had an ambulance out to hubby last Wednesday, so I do apologise. I am very, very behind on my comments, but I will get back to you. And then of course he went in hospital yesterday, so yeah, it's a long story. I'm not going to say it while I'm looking at these wonderful things. So it just remains for me to say thank you ever so much for stopping by. It's very, very much appreciated. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel by pressing that little subscribe button down in that corner, and then when the all notifications bell pops up, it notifies you when any of my videos come out, so you won't miss anything and you won't miss the rest of these. It'll be interesting to see what else we get. You'd think number 31 would be a bigger one, wouldn't you? Because that's like Halloween itself. But anyway, as you can see, I've got quite a mixed bag, but very Halloween-y, not overly scary. I mean, that is just smiling away there. That's just smiling at me. He looks like he's got indigestion. Okay, well, thank you ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everybody, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.